This morning, National Guard troops on the ground near Chicago may be heading home. A federal judge granting the city and state a temporary restraining order against the Trump administration, who court documents show had deployed 200 Texas troops to guard this ICE detention facility. Judge April Parry saying in court the National Guard would only add fuel to the fire that the defendants themselves have started. The White House overnight blasting the ruling, writing in part, President Trump has exercised his lawful authority to protect federal officers and assets, adding we expect to be vindicated by a higher court. Illinois Democratic Governor J.B. Pritzker posting Donald Trump is not a king and his administration is not above the law, adding there is no credible evidence of a rebellion in the state of Illinois.
This is an important decision, not just for the state of Illinois, but for the entire country.
The ruling, the latest twist in this escalating battle. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem earlier Thursday saying this.
We're purchasing more buildings in Chicago to operate out of. We're going to not back off. In fact, we're doubling down.
It's part of a broader push by the Trump administration to use the National Guard in cities. The Tennessee National Guard expected to start patrolling in Memphis today, the city announced. DHS maintaining amid ongoing protests, federal immigration officers need protection. In suburban Chicago, police confirmed this vehicle shows a protester smashing the window of this DHS vehicle.
Is he a citizen?
We don't answer questions.
22-year-old architecture student Moises Enciso says this video shows his family getting arrested by ICE. His parents are undocumented and have lived in the Chicago area for 18 years with no criminal record, an NBC News review confirms. A month after their arrest, ICE records show his parents are still being detained in separate states.
I just remember hugging my dad and telling him it's going to be okay. And I try to make that hug as long as possible.
Yeah, a lot of pain here on the ground. Back to yesterday's hearing in Chicago, it was one of several tied to these deployments. Out west, a panel of appellate court judges heard the administration's case for sending the National Guard into Portland, Oregon. A decision in that case is expected within the next week. Craig.
Maggie Vespa, just outside Chicago there. Maggie, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.